Hi everyone, this is Ronan from qwiqode. I wanted to show you how you can take the qwiqode marquee section and place it up in the header. Ordinarily, our sections that we offer are meant to be added to the regular content area of a page, just like we did here. We added the marquee right over here, and then you could take it and you can move it around, and that's how most of our sections work. But for the marquee specifically, some of you want to put it up here as an announcement bar or something similar. So I'll show you how that can be done. It really does depend on your theme, whether it's been custom coded or not. We still have some limitations on that, whether to have it with on a sticky header or not. I'll show this how this is done on a Dawn theme, and you could take that idea and use it on your other theme. Otherwise, if it does become a little bit more complex, you can reach out to us and we can help you install it with a little bit of custom coding. So to get started, you want to head over to your themes section, online store themes, go to the theme that you want to move the section to edit the code. Click here, go to edit code. Next, you'll be looking for the layout folder right up here, and then click on theme. And you'll want to look for, this is basically the top of the code, and this code loads on every page. You'll be wanting to look for the tag called body. So you basically can look for something like that and search for it. Just put it in there and it'll find it for you right over there. Then inside you'll see here these liquid tags, which is called a section header. It's actually loading in another section. And you can see Dawn has an announcement bar as well. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to just copy that code and let's say put it right above. And instead of announcement bar, we're going to want to put in the file name of the marquee section. So to get the file name, you can click on sections. And if you installed it properly with our other tutorial on how to do that, you'll see the file right over there. So basically, right in here, you'll want to just put in QQ marquee, and that's it. And you can also delete this or comment it out. To comment out so that it doesn't load up anymore, you can just type that in, and then here at the end comment. And so this essentially just hides this part from loading. And then we have this section being loaded here right above the header, as you can see. So we would save that. Then head over to the customize section, which loads this up right here. And let's just refresh right now. And here you go. You see that the announcement bar that was up here disappeared. And now we have the marquee right over here where we can edit it and adjust the settings. Let's just start with a smaller font size, for instance, and do all of the, and set it up like I explained in a different tutorial that came with the section that you purchased. That's basically it. As you can see, right now it doesn't stick. Sometimes you have with the headers, you have an option to enable sticky header, where if you scroll down and then you scroll back up, this header appears. But with this general setup, we can't get the marquee to load up in there without some custom coding that we would have to help you with. But to get the general idea here where you load up in any page and you can have the marquee appear, it's just that simple. Just to get something looking nice here for your idea, we could do full width and get rid of the padding. Well, actually a little bit of padding, but the margins we can get rid of right over there. font size you can make even smaller, let's say, something like that. White text, and there you go. So I hope this helps solve any problems if you want to put the marquee up above the header and replace the built-in announcement bar. Hope this helps.